Hi Susie. Are you ready for the crash course on speed reading for programmers?
Hi Alex. I'm not sure, will it hurt?
No Susie, it'll be a smooth ride. Just grab a book and watch 2 hours of video to speed read on the spot.
That's nice. I can't wait to go faster without moving. How is it possible?
Our brain is very powerful, and if you read slowly and carefully you'll end up getting distracted.
That's right. I keep having to skip back to reread all the time.
You know that humans like measuring everything. They want to know the number of pixels in a picture, megabytes of a file, and even incredible things like the speed of light. But have you ever measured your reading speed?
No, I haven't, but I think I'm an average reader.
Okay, an average reading speed. Compared to what?
I don't know. You got me there. I guess most people read like me.
Well, most people can hear their imaginary voice inside their head while reading silently. This means that they can't read faster than they can talk. Most people read around 180 words per minute. If someone read a lot, they might reach 250. It's rare to find someone that read at 300 words per minute or more.
I never thought I was talking to myself while reading, but it's actually true.
Most of us take reading for granted and don't think about the process of learning. To be able to speed read, you will learn how to silence that imaginary voice inside your head. This way you will not be limited to read at the speed that you talk, and will develop your power in a smooth and simple way.
That's cool, but what about comprehension?
Read faster and you'll get more focused on the text. As a bonus, you'll avoid wasting time by skipping back to reread. It works well for manuals, documents, emails, and even social media.
You know I love speed, and I'm ready for the crash course on speed reading.
It'll be fun, and I guarantee that you'll improve your reading speed by at least 33% or your money back. Brace yourself for an incredible experience.
So let's get started. I can hardly wait to blast through many good books I bought and never had the time to read.
That's great, but wait a second. I will give you the course for free if you book your place now. Just write the word robot as your redemption code to get the speed reading course for free. Get started now, because free places will only be available during the beta version. Now, we are producing a high-definition, full-length 3D movie to help the whole world to speed read, and you can become a star on our 3D movie. To participate, just review the course with 5 stars. We will invite 5 reviewers to become our actors. We'll create a special avatar for them, and they'll have the chance of becoming a famous star.
I can't wait to get started on my crash course.
You'll enjoy it because your brain loves speed.